Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly chart for Optimism. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key levels we can notice is our monthly swing high here and our monthly swing low. Now we also notice a key support level right here with multiple reactions. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now here on the weekly, what do we notice? We see a lot of price action reacting around our key monthly level. And we notice this weekly swing low here. So we can go ahead and plot that on the chart, as it is obvious to spot. Now we also notice a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And we also notice a key level right here, where we see the level acting as support from these wicks, as resistance, and as resistance here. And the last level we can plot is our weekly swing high. Now, if we look to the right, we can notice our key levels where the price is 1.9, 1.5, 1.4, 0.9, 0.6, and 0.5. And our key level right in the middle here is around 1.05. So, these are all of the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly chart for Optimism. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.